I only have these mochis and these 2 little needles and a little cheese. But I think I'm gonna trade today. Trading going once. Oh, I'll trade. Okay. I'll add the giant cheese.
Whoa, this is really, really rare. I'll trade you this really good fish Neato thing. Not really a Neato.
It's a Neato.
Yeah, it's a Neato. And then I'm gonna add this other Neato, but it's still really good. It has a lot of air bubbles. And then let's see, and I'll add this cow puppet fidget thingy. It's really good. What would you do? 3 for 1, or 1 for 3, or decline, add, or check?
Add. This is really, really rare.
Guys, a cheese squishy for these 3. I'm gonna have to decline.
Same.
New round. Give me my fidgets. I'll start. I'm gonna add this really good sugar ball hand squishy. It's really good.
How do you know it's a sugar ball?
Because
It's sand inside.
it's sand and sugar. It's a sugar ball. So
I'll add my 2 little needles. They say needle. This one says a tiny, tiny needle. If you can see. And this one says a little tiny
hey, it's real. I'm gonna accept.
I'll add.
What?
These
I'll add.
are needles.
I'll add this. Accept.
Accept.
Yay! Guys, these are actually real. See, wait, hold on. The guitar is an actual Neato. See? Can't really see it.
Literally so good.
Okay, next round. I'll trade you.
No, I'll treat you.
I really want to trade this, but it's really rare. Cheese again?
I'll trade you something really rare for a really rare thing.
This and
That's not really rare.
I'm not done. I'm adding
Hope I get
this
this.
and I'll give you your purple ice cream needle back.
It's not an ice cube.
I said ice cream needle.
It's not an ice cream.
Actually, I'll give you
Christmas tree.
this whale needle, and it's real. And these, like, it's really hard to find. Except, guys, should I accept? I accept! Yay! So, guys, I actually got the cheese. This is a really bigger collection. Okay, I'm gonna add this.
I'll give this to you.
There's hair on that mochi, by the way. I accept.
Wait a minute. These are the ones that stick.
Yeah, but you have to do it on that, the black thing. Get over here. Now I'm gonna add this and this back.
Decline already because
Fine, this. I don't like this. I really want this back.
all my mochis.
All your mochis, guys, these are actually kind of good. I'm gonna accept.
I'm gonna accept too.
Yay! Guys, I think this is the end of our fidget trading. So I'm gonna show you what I got, and then she'll show you what you got. I got these little mochis, a real ice cream Neato, and a real guitar Neato, and this ring pop Neato. Not a Neato, it's just a ring pop squishy, a cheese squishy, ice cube Neato, a popsicle Neato, more mochis, a Swedish fish, and a gumdrop.
Okay, let me show you my collection now. So I have this that I just got.
It's really good.
And next, I also just got this. Neato. And also, I have the little pig. Well, big pig, not little. also got the cow fidget that sticks. Here, let me see. Okay, so here it is. You can pop it, pull it. Oh, okay. Back to my collection. And also this whale needle.
It's actually really rare.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, comment down below if you like my hair. Show them my hair. Braids.
And then the sugar ball sands.
It's really
Peace sign. So yeah, that's the end. Bye.